How to change your TikTok account to business. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change your TikTok account to business. So if you want to change your TikTok account to business account, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, open up your profile, open up your TikTok here. Once you have opened up your profile, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you have to just tap on the three horizontal line or hamburger menu which is on the top right corner of the screen to open up the setting menu. So here you have to click on the setting and privacy. So here you have to tap on the account. Once you are here on the account section, you have to tap on the switch to business account. So here you can see that my TikTok account is already on business account. So if you want to switch your TikTok account to business account, just tap on that. And you may prompt it to select your category for your business. After switching, you will be able to update your business profile. So you have to follow the on-screen instruction and confirm any changes. So this way you can easily change your TikTok account to business. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.